Welcome to Maineemo channel. Today, I'm gonna help you to set up the table for informal way and formal way. Also, I'm gonna guide you with how to carry 3 plates and holding 3 bottles. Information on this video, I hope it could be very useful to the people who would like to work in hotel industry or on events or in restaurant. After you see my video, you will have a lot of knowledge how to work in this industry. As myself, I have worked in this area for over 7 years and I know the score how it will be. If you can do this, it will be fantastic. You can have a even double shift as like myself. I have worked morning and night and I know how to handle. After you see my video, you will have a lot of confidence and you can keep this part as an extra job to work at night even. Welcome to the fun journey with me. How to set up a table for everyday dinner. First, lay out a placemat if you're using one. Second, place the dinner plate in the center of the table. Third, the fork is placed to the left to the plate. Fourth, the knife to the right of the dinner plate, and then set the spoon to the right of the knife. Fifth, set the water glass on the top right corner above the knife. Sixth, the napkin can be placed on the top of the dinner plate or beneath the fork. How to set up a table for Casio meal. First, start by laying out a placemat. Second, set the dinner plate in the center of the table. If you're serving salad, set the salad plate atop the dinner plate. Third, place the fork to the left of the dinner plate. If you're serving salad, set the salad fork to the left of the dinner fork. Fourth, place the knife to the right of the dinner plate, and then set the spoon to the right of the knife. Fifth, set the water glass on the top right corner above the knife. Sixth, place the wine glass, either red or white wine glass depending on what you are serving, to the right of the water glass. 7. The napkin can be placed on the plates or underneath the fork. Typical 3-course dinner. Soup course, entree, dessert. The plate should be in the center as in the picture. 2 forks are placed to the left of the plate. The dinner fork, the large one of the 2 forks, is used for the main course. The smaller fork is used for salad or appetizer. The forks are arranged according to when you need to use them, from outside to inside in order. If the small fork is needed for an appetizer or a salad served before the main course, then it is placed on the left outside of the dinner fork. If the salad is served after main course, then the small fork is placed to the right inside of the dinner fork, next to the plate. Napkin. The napkin is folded on the center of the dinner plate. Sometimes can fold a napkin under the fork. The dinner knife is set immediately to the right of the plate. cutting edge facing inward. If the main course is meat, a steak knife can take the place of the dinner knife. At an informal meal, the dinner knife sometimes may be used for all courses. Spoons go to the right of the knife. Soup is being served first, so the soup spoon goes to the far outside right of the dinner knife. The teaspoon or dessert spoon, which will be used last, goes to the left inside of the soup spoons, next to the dinner knife. Glasses, drinking glasses of any kind, water, juice, are placed at the top right of the dinner plate, above the knife and spoon. Salad plate. This is placed to the left of the forks. Bread plate with butter knife. The bread plate goes above the fork with the butter knife placed across the edge of the plate. Dessert spoon and fork. These can be placed either horizontally above the dinner plate, the spoon facing to the right, the fork below the spoon facing left. Coffee cup. The coffee cup is placed to the right of the knife and spoons. 5 course typically consists of soup, salad, fish, course, main course, and dessert. To carry 2 plates. First, place one as on the picture, and then the second is on the palm, and the third to the right or any hand that you are comfortable with. There also, on the video, you can see how to stack it up. Very simple. It's the same way that you're serving food, but the difference is when you stack up, you use the knife to push out the leftover to the other plate and line up fork and knife as the same as the picture that you're seeing, and all the plate you can stack it up to 10 or 20 or 24 or 30 if you can. How to hold the bottle. The bottle should hold it exactly like in the picture, and on the left you can carry 2 bottles and one on the right, and then you can start pour the wine. Wipe it off them after you pour wine so you will not drop any wine or spill anything on the tablecloth, such as white color is not very present. In each event, for 1 bottle of red wine or white, usually you can pour wine up to 5 or 6 glass per bottle, depend on the board's order. For useful information when you set up the table, everything for the guests, plate, knife, glass, for example, everything must be within the chair. You can look it easy. It is pretty standard. The purpose of stack up or cutlery is for the people who taking dishes to be able to handle easy, and for yourself also to be able to working fast. You must focus, look at everything direct as soon as you are in the place, so you can memorize with everything even location. Plan everything well with your colleague so everything can go fast. When you have to handle with a lot of number of the guests like myself, 600 to 1,000 at least. Eyes to eye is very important. When you are working with a lot of work friends, signal is very important. More than talking, communicate always with your partner while you are at the action. Informing each other always. Everything will go faster, so you know what is next. Working as a waitress or waiter, it is very stressful when you have to work a lot of numbers of the guests. A lot of workers have lost their temper often. I have seen, and suggestion is to ignore the tempered. Try not to have the tempered or anger. Everyone's stressed. If you are one of them to enjoy, then the bond between you and other will happen. When you are already stressed or panic in the situation, try to be calm and not panic because that never help. I have seen it. Put yourself together as fast as possible. Pressing on the other friend, it is not working. It's just gonna give more stress on each other. Be calm to each other. When you have double shift, make sure that you can sleep as much as possible. Eat proper as much as you can. Pack some food, candy, chocolate, or soft drink in your bag so you can have it either on train or when you can. Always have extra clothes and socks in your bag so you can take as much as you want on the job. Don't forget to find a good shoes for you because that is very important. If it's expensive but it's worth it, then take it because the amount of the income, it will be worth it for that shoes because it can be last long for 2 to 3 years. Don't feel sad. Don't feel that you are not good enough. Every first time, everyone drop the plate and cutlery. Not just you. It is normal. When you have to work a lot, don't forget to look after yourself and your friend. That is very important. Before you leave home, don't forget a warm jacket and make sure that you always warm. Also with the weather, don't forget umbrella. Just leave it in the bag. It is okay because you never know with the weather. Thank you for watching. I hope information that I gave you can help you some point. Please check below on the description box for more things that you can watch. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much in advance and see you next time. Bye for now.